This is BeingTsongaInSA with Shitshembiso Mabasa na
Fumani N Shilubana Giyani Roundtable nhlekani hinkwaswo swa n'we sweleswo.
loko la ku xindero ko ni nyike byala lebyi bya xini xindero. We have the word, so that vocab, the aim is that we're going to make sure the vocab lives, and every actor must learn a word every day. So I got na maka no dialect ya wena Xitsonga lexi
Me.
so you Kabi like a translation I got and plus was stamina because the translations mina I did most of the poetic translation. Because I've limited vocab.
Yeah.
Teleti was the one at the vocab. So mina na a basic line you step away and we sukel gang and when the stereo sugala like I would find something to make it beautiful, because I knew it was like
But then
at the end of the day the language is the biggest asset of the story. So if we are not na ambi wo kwala na kwala no, but munhu ateba ku Xitsonga wa swithe ku vanhu lava a va ringeta ku endla yini.
But then in the bigger sense of things,
Yeah.
how do you feel about the product right now?
No, I mean, I'm happy with Giyani. You know, you need to, if you have been part of a process of starting up different things, you know, you fall, you stumble, you make mistakes. There's no, and Xitsonga easy. Xitsonga is one of the most difficult languages. Xitsonga I remi because Xitsonga, because of the makeup of it, it's a mixture of so many things, of ancient languages and different kinds of things. It's not easy because ambiritu mina ningafika nukurinto ntsanda un'wana ku ntsanze
Mina ntsanze vele.
So intsandza waswitwa already we are saying the same way, but
Three.
loko i ri na mentality ya genge hi ta ku avaneni hi mhaka sweswo.
Hayi
wena uri
Yini sweswo?
Like ni example sweleswo kahle.
Yeah.
Hala kaya ka mhlaba.
Yeah.
Rito ra xivhovo a ri tirhisi.
Yeah, xivhovo.
Mara
Hala malamulela
a
ri
ri
Oh,
tirhisiwi.
na xivovo
Xivovo.
wa nghenela so yini
All these- and kuva- I remember this guy back, no, you can't say that much. No, kan'we I'm tshama ko a swi vuriwi. It's okay.
It's like Nyimba, guys.
It's
Nyimba.
Lero ra rona
Lero.
re ba tlhatlhe ngopfu ka Twitter
Because the church demonized it, now it's like it becomes even more complex trying to explain to people kuri emakobenge kwa munhu anga ta ku byela ngo wanzweli kereke Yesu anga discriminate against language.
Mara xin'wana xexo, don't you think mhaka ya kereke yo yi nga hi vonya swa ku tala?
No, the language, it's documented. The missionaries' jobs, akuri wona loko ta va ta fika va hi phazamisa.
Because
So
I
us up